Maharashtra has decided to relax lockdown restrictions on the basis of COVID positivity rate and availability of oxygen beds in Maharashtra. In a late night order, the state government said it will implement the new 5 level eased curbs from Monday. This comes a day after Uddhav Thackeray's office took a U-turn on unlock plan announced earlier by Minister Vijay Wadettiwar. According to the order, the cities and districts have been divided into 5 levels, while Mumbai and its suburbs, including Thane, Vasai Virar, Kalyan Dombivli, will all be divided. The remaining 34 districts will be treated as separate single administrative units. Those districts and cities that will be put in level 1 with less than 5% weekly positivity rate and less than 25% occupancy rate of oxygen beds will be free of all restrictions. Hours after removing the verified blue tick, Twitter on Saturday restored it on personal handle of Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. The Vice President's office said that since the official handle is used more now, the personal account remained inactive since July 2020. However, after approaching Twitter, the blue tick was restored. According to the microblogging site, the blue verified badge on Twitter lets people know that an account of public interest is authentic. To receive the blue badge, your account must be authentic, notable, and active. A source in Twitter said Naidu's account may have been unverified through an algorithm as he has not tweeted in almost a year now. The three RSS leaders who were recently unverified apparently haven't tweeted ever, the sources said. India's COVID-19 tally continued to show a downward trend as the country registered more than 120,000 new virus cases on Saturday, its lowest in the last 58 days. The active case load further decreased to more than 15,55,000, which is down by 80,745 cases in the last 24 hours. On the recovery front, at least 2.67 crore people have recovered from COVID-19 across the country so far, with more than 197,000 people recovering during the last 24 hours alone. Now, India has reported more daily recoveries than new cases for 23 consecutive days. The Drugs Controller General of India on Friday granted the Serum Institute of India permission to manufacture Russian COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V in India. The Serum Institute of India has been granted approval to manufacture the vaccine for examination, test and analysis with certain conditions at its licensed facility in Hadapsar, Pune. The Serum Institute had submitted an application to the DCGI in this regard on Wednesday. The Pune-based company has collaborated with Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology, Moscow, in Russia to develop Sputnik V in India. Facebook on Friday suspended former US President Donald Trump from its platform until at least January 2023 in a decision that has been watched closely for signals on how the company will treat rule-breaking world leaders in the future. The social media giant's independent oversight board in the month of May upheld its block on Donald Trump, which was enforced in the wake of January 6 riot at the US Capitol over concerns that his posts were inciting violence. However, the board ruled it was wrong to make the ban indefinite and gave it 6 months to determine a proportionate response. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.